In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update and enable Leo AI on your Brave browser, ensuring you have access to the latest in browsing technology. Let's start by making sure your Brave browser is up to date, as Leo AI is integrated into the newer releases. To check for updates, click on the menu icon, represented by 3 lines in the top right corner of your browser window. From there, navigate to Help and then About Brave. If an update is available, make sure to apply it. Once the update is complete, restart your browser to implement the changes. Now that your browser is up to date, let's move on to accessing the Leo settings. Click on the same menu icon in the top right corner and proceed to Settings. From the Settings page, head to the Leo section. Here, you can start configuring your Leo AI experience. First, you'll want to turn on the option to Show Leo icon in the sidebar. By toggling this on, you'll see the Leo icon appear on the left sidebar of your browser. This provides quick access whenever you need it. Additionally, enable Show Leo in the context menu. By toggling this option on, you gain the ability to interact with Leo when you right-click on text within any website. It's a handy feature if you regularly do research or multitask. There's also an optional feature called Tab Focus Mode. This setting allows Leo to help organize and classify your open tabs. It can be a real game changer for productivity, keeping your browsing experience smooth and efficient if you're someone who tends to keep several tabs open at the same time. Moving along, it's time to choose your preferred model for Leo. Under Default Model for New Conversations, you have the option to allow Brave to automatically select a model for you, or you can manually choose from models like GPT-4 if you have them set up. Choose whichever suits your needs best. To start using Leo AI, you have a couple of options. You can click the Leo icon from the sidebar to open up a chat window directly. Alternatively, if you've enabled it, you can highlight text on a web page, right-click, and select Ask Leo to get additional insights or assistance. If you've enabled Tab Focus Mode, Leo's ready to assist you in keeping your browser tabs organized and summarized. Finally, let's touch on privacy and customization. You have control over your data, which is crucial. You can toggle the storage of your conversation history on or off, depending on your preferences. If you ever want to delete all your stored Leo AI conversation data, simply click on Delete All Leo AI Conversation Data. There's even an advanced option where, if you wish, you can connect your own model via Ollama or another OpenAI-compatible provider. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to updating and enabling Leo AI on Brave browser. With these steps, you're all set to enjoy a more intelligent and tailored browsing experience.